The world may run out of oil, gas, and water, but what we have plenty of is idiot drivers that just don't know how to drive a vehicle. Here's a compilation that'll make you laugh and be concerned about who you share the roads with. Let's begin. There are many drivers in traffic and each one thinks he is right. It's definitely the biker who's at fault in this video, but it's funny that the car driver doesn't see the biker. In this video, you will watch a cyclist who thinks he is a rally biker. This video is a bit strange because the place where the accident happened and the way the accident happened is very interesting.
You're on the opposite side, dog. What the fuck? And you're going off fast. What's up?
We're in the lane. We're in the lane.
I was in my lane.
Out of here.
Vehicles are illegal on this
I don't give a
fuck. What's up? You live right here. What's up?
What?
Are you gonna kick my ass?
Yeah, dog. We will.
You really want that?
Swear to God.
I can't believe you.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. Stay in your lane, dog.
Stay in your lane. It's easy.
We stay in our lane, dog.
What? You can keep mad dogging us? What's good? What's good? What's good? Come on.
Both you guys are
Come
gonna
on.
beat me up?
I'll beat you up. What's good?
Keep walking.
You dumb.
I think the tension between bikers and car drivers will never end. In this video, you will see a truck driver trying to run over a biker. It is unknown what happened between them, but we will understand when we continue watching.
What's up? Why you? Yeah, really? I got you on video. Got you on video. Oh yeah. Why are you mad? Ma'am, I have a 3-year-old son that I ride on. I have a 3-year-old son.
Your 3-year-old
He
on a little
rides
wheelie.
with me on here.
I don't give a when you're on this street. You don't pop wheelies. Do you understand me? You drive. You do 25 miles an hour. Get that thing
You're
out.
harassing me right
You
now.
know, oh, I'm gonna harass you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shove this bike so far up your ass.
Look, I don't want
You're
no
not
problems.
gonna know what the
I will.
hit you.
I will stop. Okay?
No,
I will stop.
no.
Yeah.
No. I want, excuse me. No, come here. No.
Goodbye.
No.
You are about to watch a fight between a BMW driver and a biker. It is not known what happened between the BMW driver and the biker before the video, but the biker decides to catch the BMW driver and catches him in the garage of a house. But the BMW driver's wife will never allow the biker.
How you doing?
Hey. Excuse me, you're on my property.
How you doing?
Good.
Do you understand what you did was really dangerous?
What
are you talking about?
Off my property right
I'm
now.
not trying to start a fight. I want to educate a driver.
Right now before I call.
So when you're
Get off my property
when you're-
right now before I call the police.
Look, get out of the way.
so
What are you talking about?
so when up
I
on
don't want him on my
Fanshawe,
property. It doesn't-
right at the stoplight. So I watched you come up really tight behind my bumper. So I look behind you,
That's it.
and I'm just educating you. I'm not trying to start anything, right?
Are you talking about the top of the hill?
Yeah.
Yeah, quite frankly, I expected you to move out a little quicker than you did.
Okay. You know how long I've had my bike?
I don't know.
2 weeks.
Okay.
So all I'm saying is you don't know what the level of the bike rider is, right? So I had an issue at the lights before where second gear wouldn't go in. So when you came right up behind me, on somebody who is not afraid to, somebody who's overly afraid could have panicked at that point, right? So all I'm asking you to do, in future, just give a little more room to bikers. Because you just don't know what
Off my property. Off. Out of my garden and off my property. Right now I'm calling the police. Off my property. Off.
This isn't your property.
Off my
Need
brick.
to break it to you. 4
Okay.
feet
Off my
is a property line. So, sir,
I understand you were intimidated by it. Sorry, intimidated.
No, and that's like I said, I wasn't trying to start anything. I'm just saying, in the future, you just don't know, right? That's all I'm asking.
You're a asshole. You know that? You think you're being polite, but you're an asshole.
Wow, you are an angry Karen, aren't you?
Most of the bikers on the roads ride very safely and by following the rules, but some of them only aim to be a road monster. And while this biker is looking for fun, a Jeep driver decides to catch him.
You're on camera. You're on camera.
Today is a scary day for the biker because in front of him is a madman who is naked and has a stick. I think the people of this region have had a lot of problems with bikers because it seems like no one has any tolerance anymore. The biker is in trouble.
Divjamo.
Kaj naj dojate?
Jaz ne. Jaz še tule več kot 10 nisem pelil. Pa mi note rekli, da sem se. Prisežem. Jaz se tu več kot 10 še nisem pelil v življenju.
Tu se soboto tule pelil.
Jaz ne.
Trije so bili.
Jaz ne. Na delo pa v ponedeljek sem vozil, tako da jaz nisem bil pa tu, ne.
So bili trije.
Ne.
Pa še zadnji so se vozili po zadnjih kolesi tudi.
Jaz se sploh ne znam po zadnji
Kdo
pelil.
se vozi? Te pa kdo se vozi?
Kaj te jaz vem? Zdaj nimam jaz
Kaj vas je
sediti.
100 tule v Lapori?
Koga?
Kaj vas je 100 motoristov tule?
Nisem jaz zloporja.
Vas je 100 komadov, a pa še več?
Ne.
Dobro veš, kdo so.
Kak ne vem?
Enkrat vas vidim še tule. Ni 5 km, ni 50 km, jasno?
Pač, jaz... Ja.
Enkrat še. Pa to, pa policija. Jasno?
Zmenjeno. Zmenjeno, pa vse se lahko lepo zmenimo, ne? A kaj? Kaj treba na silo?
Otroka je strah po cesti hoditi. Nijem takega. Takega imam, pa me strah hoji po cesti.
Zastopim, zato se...
Ko vas slišim v goši.
Lahko nekaj samo povem. Zato se 10 na uro pelam tukaj,
Ej.
da so otroki tu.
Tako ste rekel. Prvi že lopata, pol pa policija, takoj zadnji.
V redu je zmenjeno. Adijo.
I can say that the driver in the video you are about to watch got his license from the butcher, but I cannot prove it. In a country like America, a driver who does this must have a really important reason. Police should not watch this video.
Your issue, dude. Hey, when you did that, you kicked sand all up in me, you Yeah, keep acting tough.
Bruh.
Keep acting tough, dude. Keep acting tough. Why are you f***ing being a f***ing idiot? Why are you being a f***ing idiot? What are you gonna do? I've been trying to explain to you to not be a f***ing idiot again. You that smooth brain? You are smooth brain? You just said yeah. You just said yeah. Alright, how many chromosomes you got? You retard? Yeah, okay.
I think some cars need to have more mirrors to see bikers. This is so ridiculous. Not everyone should have a driver's license.
What are you doing? What the f is this? The f is this? You don't do that.
Are you stupid?
You are about to watch the world's most ridiculous video. This video shows how scared a biker can be, but it's very strange and I'm sure the driver was quite confused. The car driver decides to hit the road and the biker wants to catch the car driver, but the car driver doesn't care about the biker.
Like seriously, are you not paying attention? Like that's how people get killed. Like is whatever you have to do more important than people's lives? CSJP685. You're sitting there laughing like this is funny. No, this isn't funny. I got your plate. This is a camera. I am filing a report with the police because that could have killed me. No, you two have both been laughing the entire time. That could have killed me. That's not paying attention. You saw me. I made eye contact with you, and you still can try to run me off the road. So no, don't worry. You will be getting a visit from the police probably about a half hour.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making